Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, Canton County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Delaware, Calhoun County in Middle Tennessee, Giles County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These severe storms extended from Gordonsville to 14 miles east of Lexington and were moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Woodbury, Edgar Evans State Park, Bradyville, Wartrace, and Dartmoor. Severe thunderstorms contain damaging winds 58 miles per hour or stronger, or hail 1 inch or larger. For your safety, take shelter inside a sturdy building now. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Sunday morning for Central Tennessee. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 2 a.m. Sunday morning for Central Tennessee. This is a severe weather statement from